My hometown is a state named Sabah. There are a lot of beautiful nature places which call Borneo rainforest. Today, we will go into the forest and walk into the nature. The Sabah rainforest has a rich biodiversity. It is a home for various wild animals. Of course, squirrels are the frequenters in the forest. Sometimes we can also hear the squalls for hornbill. Bornean orangutan is the most signature animal in our jungle. You might see a group of salmons there, or a herd of elephants. But don't forget, the dangers in the jungle has always been there.